Hello and welcome to 3.TV. I am Vishakha Thakur. You are watching a special show, Metaverse Magic, wherein we bring to you important updates from the Metaverse space. First, we will explore the future plans of Shanghai as it is all set to boost its economy using Metaverse, blockchain and CBDC. Then we shall know more about Aditya Birla Capital's virtual branch in Metaverse. Next, we travel to Sri Lanka, where a country's bank TFCC is all set to open a virtual branch in Metaverse. Bhutan is also testing the waters of Metaverse as Drug Holding and Investments has launched Bhutanverse, a Metaverse-based virtual space giving users a chance to explore Bhutan's rich culture. Then we shall see what Meta is up to as its Metaverse division, Reality Labs, has lost $3.7 billion in Q2. Well, there's a lot happening in the Metaverse space, so let's deep dive into the world of Metaverse. Countries are betting big on Metaverse, and Shanghai is not far behind in the race. In order to boost its economy, Shanghai is embracing upcoming technologies such as Metaverse, blockchain technology, and its central bank digital currency, the digital yuan. It has recently unveiled a blueprint to use these technologies and focus on the development of key sectors. Well, according to the blueprint, Shanghai is focusing on building a blockchain-based platform in order to trade commodities. It is already emphasizing on using Metaverse applications in various sectors such as the tourism industry, but now it will pay more attention to use Metaverse in legacy industries such as automotive sector. Further, Shanghai plans to roll out blockchain courses too for universities as well as colleges. Well, the applications of Metaverse are finding ways into many sectors and have potential to transform various industries, including the financial services industry. Talking about application of Metaverse in the financial sector, Kumar Mangalam Birla-led Aditya Birla Group is all set to transform the financial services industry with the help of Metaverse. In order to elevate customer engagement, Aditya Birla Capital, the financial solutions arm of Aditya Birla Group, has partnered with the London-based global technology and business process services company Hexaware. The partnership aims to blend the physical as well as digital world and provide customers with immersive experiences such as protecting, investing, financing, and advising in their virtual Metaverse lounge, Oneverse. Users can access the virtual lounge through Aditya Birla Capital's website, mobile app, Oculus VR headset, as well as Apple Vision Pro. Additionally, customers can use their customizable avatars to interact with their agents, and they will also be provided with a WhatsApp bot which can be accessed just by clicking on posters or by scanning a QR code. Well, there is a huge potential for Metaverse in the financial services industry. Many banks are already testing the waters of Metaverse, including a Sri Lankan bank, DFCC, which has recently unveiled a virtual branch. It is the first Sri Lankan bank to open a virtual branch and is all set to revolutionize the financial and banking services space. The bank also plans to provide customers with more exciting and engaging ways to access the banking services. Further, users can also play interactive games and gain rewards while availing banking services from the comfort of their homes. And now let's listen in to what Mr. Gaurav Raj Thakur, founder of Metaverse, has to say about countries betting big on Metaverse.
Many governments worldwide have already developed robust and steady Metaverse strategies with or without a buzz. China and the UAE have been making significant strides in the Metaverse space, we all know that. What's less spoken about is that many countries have made their recent moves in the Metaverse as well. In such a recent move, South Korea's Ministry of Science and ICT invested 24 billion Korean won to create a fund totaling of around 40 billion Korean won, around 30.2 million US dollars for Metaverse initiatives alone. Additionally, back in January, Seoul introduced a digital replica of the city within the Metaverse, which was again funded by the South Korean government by around 2 billion won. And this was just the first phase. Just a week back, Japan's Prime Minister Fumio Kishida suggested one of the country's major companies is set to unveil a significant Metaverse project. Now here's something I find particularly interesting. In spite of all the negative vibes, Meta sees a huge Metaverse potential in Africa.
Moving on, the Metaverse allows you to engage in activities such as shopping, playing games, attending events, and working together. But what if I tell you that through the metaverse you can now learn more about Bhutan's rich culture, history as well as philosophy from anywhere in the world? Making this a reality is Drug Holdings and Investments, a largest government-owned holding company in Bhutan, which is all set to launch Bhutanverse, a virtual space where you can learn Bhutan's rich culture, history as well as philosophy. This latest venture of Drug Holdings and Investment was unveiled recently at Fab23 Bhutan International Conference in Thimphu. The company has collaborated with the Sandbox and Smoppler to launch blockchain-based decentralized metaverse experience Bhutanverse. Well, Metaverse gained traction when Facebook rebranded to Meta and started building its virtual space, the Horizon World. The company remains focused on its metaverse ambitions. Despite its metaverse division, Reality Labs is routinely losing billions by the quarter. The company has suffered a net loss of around $3.7 billion in Q2. Well, since the start of the year 2022, Reality Labs has faced a total loss of $21 billion, and Meta has spent $7.7 billion on its virtual reality business so far this year. But Mark Zuckerberg remains optimistic about the metaverse as well as artificial intelligence. That's all in this episode of Metaverse Magic. I will be back with more such interesting updates from the metaverse space. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and for more such interesting updates, please log on to our website www.3versetv.io or scan the QR code. This is me, Vishakha Thakur, signing off.